Okay. We've got all three of the girls here. That's Gabby on the left, Jade in the middle, and Happy on the left, Jade in the middle, and Gabby on the right. So we've just got them in a little downstay. Wasn't the prettiest thing in the world getting them there, but they're there. We're just going to walk around here and see how they hold their stuff. Stay. Okay, we're about 10 or 15 yards maybe from them now. Maybe a little bit more. Got some traffic coming by here. Okay, guess we're about 30 yards, looks like, maybe 30 yards out. I was out here a while ago and had them in a good downstay. Didn't have the camera. Pan to the right here, you can see the highway behind me. I like to put them here so there's some distraction that they have in the way of cars and trucks, log trucks sometimes, coming up and down the highway. Love that eye contact. This is exactly the way they were doing it a while ago. In fact, today's the first day they've really been out together and done downstays, hooked up to the all three to the lead. So I was real pleased with the progress they've made today. They've done individual training for this week, and yesterday I had Jade and Gabby together doing downstays, but today's the first day they've all three come out and done them together. It's a no home place here. I'm going to hide behind this chimney for just a minute. Probably not a minute, but see if that gets them excited. Oh, they're still there. Hello. Now, the real test will be if I can walk behind them. When I walked behind them a while ago, Jade tried to brake, but of course she was anchored in and couldn't go very far. But let's see if Jade holds her stay when I come in behind them. What they're doing nicely so far. Good dogs. Good girl. Good girl. That was awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. Good girl. I'll walk out here a little ways just to reinforce this stay. We just had a rain this afternoon. Thunderstorm came through and dumped about 4/10 of an inch out here where we are. Just checked the rain gauge. In fact, I walked the girls out here to check the rain gauge. I normally don't walk them after they have eaten, but they ate. But wanted to walk them out here and check the rain gauge, and it was 4/10. So we sure needed it. Okay, they're good, but 30 or 40 yards out there now. I believe the concept of having them hooked in together probably get out from under this tree. I don't want rain to drop on my camera. Probably pretty solid training technique. It seems to give each one of them a little more stability because they are tied in with each other. I'll walk around, keep out from under this tree again. I don't want the rain to come off these leaves and hit my camera. Not much traffic this afternoon, Sunday afternoon. Let's see, there they are. I didn't think about this. I think next time I'll set the camera right there on top of this little post that's holding up the bluebird house. Makes a nice little tripod. What I'll do is set the camera up there next time and let you see the not so pretty, hopefully it'll be a little better then, but getting them in the downs. They're doing good. Doing good for the time I spent with them this week. But they'll be doing a lot better about this time next week. If they would just go into the down as well as they stay in the down, it would be hallelujah time. But we're going to get there. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to walk over and take them out of the stay with a release. And I'm going to leave the camera here, and so you can see that. Then I'll get them and come back over and get the camera and go ahead to the house. Okay, good girl. Okay, good girl. Okay, good girl. Good girl. That was awesome. That was so good. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, Daddy, come on. Let me get you. Okay. Hey, good girl. That was awesome. Good girl. Good girl, Jay. Hey, happy. That was so good. Good girl. Oh, yeah. Good girl. Okay.